I want every available man in the mine areas looking for these girls.
No problem, sir.
Make sure the mercenaries are at the far end of the field. We'll kill 3 birds with 1 stone, so to speak.
Well, that's not going to be so easy, Colonel.
Don't fail me, Frank. Explode the mines when they're in the area. I want everybody killed. Everybody. Understand? I have Stilson's creation in 2 barrels in the caves. Attach a bomb to them with 1 hour delay. We'll take the chopper. The money is already on board.
Yes, sir.
Idiot.